and our investigation has brought us to the N1 along the EHennops River. We can confirm that we have found 3 bodies, but they are yet to be identified. There are still processes that must be followed. All these 3 bodies were found along the river. We are looking for a 4th body. We are looking for the vehicle that was utilized by our police officers. So we have maximum resources here that are still searching this area. We have our forensics on the scene, and we have our air wing unit that is also still searching. It is a difficult moment for us. The National Commissioner General has sent a team to fetch the families of these 3 police officers. It's not easy for us. Our investigation is ongoing, but we have not yet identified who these 3 are. There are still processes that are underway, fingerprints being taken, DNA and so on. That's all I can say for now.
Linda, there's probably a reason why you would bring the family from so far to try and identify these bodies. But what I'm hearing as well is that you're saying you're looking for the 4th person. Was it not 3 now?
There were 3 police officers in the vehicle that they utilized to travel to Limpopo. But yesterday, like I've indicated, our investigation brought us to this area. We found another vehicle along the banks of this river. We found the first 2 bodies yesterday already. We found the 3rd body this morning. We are still searching for the 4th body. We are still searching for the car that was utilized by the 3 police officers. So for now, it tells us there are 2 vehicles. We don't want to speculate what has happened here. We don't want to speculate, but we have found it was a Renault Kangoo panel van that was along the banks of this particular river. But we are still searching for the VW Polo and another body. So that particular investigation continues.